Hello everyone, this is Lamin Sane of LSWAT apps, and in this video we're going to have a look at what PHP constants are. So basically a constant is just like a variable, but it's a variable that value cannot change after you have created it. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so let's just say we have person here. So the person is Angelina Jolie. Okay, so well, Angelina is one of my favorite actresses and she's also a good person. And let's say we echo person here. Okay, let's go back in our browser, refresh. As you can see, Angelina Jolie. Well, let's say we decide that later we want to change Angelina Jolie, her name, to Brad Pitt. I know that's a big jump from a female to a guy, but yeah. And we just echo person. Okay, so now what do we expect to see? Angelina and then Brad Pitt. Okay, I hope I didn't screw up that name, but yeah, pardon me guys if you're a big Brad Pitt fan. Okay, but with constants you define them and then the value never changes. I'll show you why you want to do that in a moment. And they're actually very special in that you don't define them just by using regular variables. You can't just say this the constant name equal to something, and it doesn't have the $sign in front of it as well. The way you define a constant is use this special function PHP provides for you called define, and it has two arguments. The first one is constant name. So in this case, let's just say constant name, and by convention, this is not a matter of force, but by convention, to differentiate between constants and regular variables, many people have agreed in the community that it's good to name constants using all capitals. Okay, so name your constants using this. It will work still without it, but it's good practice. So let's just constant name, let's say constant value. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so now when we come back down here, we can just echo the constant as a regular variable. So we can say echo, and I'll just copy this quickly, paste it here, and when we go back in our browser, we should see constant value there. As you can see, constant value. But now you can't change this constant value anymore. And the reason for why you will want to do something like that is, let's say you wanted to create some sort of, for example, database configuration file, and you have the database name and the database username and password, stuff like that. Normally you wouldn't want it changing as your application is running. There are special cases where you might want to change it, but most of the time, 99% of the time, I have never needed to change the name of a constant. Okay, so remember I said the constants can't be changed. I mean their names. Well, I did lie. Well, not entirely. There is this thing called magic constants in PHP, and these are constants that are defined by PHP system itself. And normally you wouldn't want to create a constant with that name, and they lie in the name of, like, there's this one magic constant called file. So it starts with underscore underscore file. So let's just echo that, and if you have used it before, you should know that it will give you the name of the current file that we're in. So let's just go to our browser, refresh. As you can see, C Apache 24 HC and inside there we have our index.php. Okay, and there's this other magic constant called directory, and it has a name of underscore underscore dir, and you have a double underscore. So if you guessed it, that gives you the name of the current directory we're in. So refresh. As you can see, it's just where our index.php file lives and not the file itself. Okay, so that's it guys for constants. There are two types of constants: a regular constant which you can create yourself, and magic constants which are created by the PHP runtime. So this magic constant here, they might change based on your environment. So if you change files, the directory constant will change as well. Okay, and yeah, that's it for this tutorial video. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, if this is helpful and you like them, please do comment and subscribe and share the videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.